The clock finally ran out. After years of serving as the world's default operating system, Windows 10 has officially reached its end of life. No more security updates, no more patches, no more protection. It's like living in a house where the doors still open, the lights still work, but the locks are gone. For many people, this moment is unsettling because the system they trust is still functional, but no longer safe. That's why this migration matters. Today, you're not just installing a new OS, you're securing your digital future with Zorin OS 18. Before you step away from Windows, take a moment with your system. Everything you've created or collected over the years sits inside it. Work files, photos, memories, and messy downloads folders that could tell a story of their own. Back them up to an external drive or cloud storage. Think of it like packing your belongings before moving out of a house that's no longer livable. You're keeping the important things and leaving behind the cracks in the walls. With your data safe, head to the official Zorin OS 18 website. The moment the home page loads, you feel the difference. It's clean, modern, and intentional. Designed to welcome you, not overwhelm you. Download the ISO. This single file holds an entire operating system crafted to be faster, safer, and calmer than what you're leaving behind. Grab a USB drive with 4 GB or more. Launch Balena Etcher or Rufus to flash the ISO onto it. This is where the migration becomes real. You're preparing a rescue boat, a way out of a system that no longer protects you. Flashing takes a minute and watching the progress bar move feels like waiting for a new chapter to finish forming. Restart your computer. As it reboots, hit the boot menu key, F12, F2, or ESC, whichever your system uses. This moment always has a little tension, like slipping into a hidden menu most people never open. Select the USB and soon the Zorin OS live session appears with a quiet confidence. It feels fresh, polished, and immediately trustworthy. When you're ready, start the installation. The steps are simple: language, keyboard, updates, installation type. Then comes the decision Windows 10's end of life has forced onto millions. Do you erase the disk and fully move on, or dual boot and keep Windows around as the ghost of its former self? If security matters, erasing and replacing is the cleanest cut. But if you want to experiment, before committing, dual booting gives you the safety net. While installation runs, think about this shift you're making. Windows 10 had its era, but an unsupported OS is a silent risk. One ransomware attack, one new exploit, and your entire system becomes vulnerable. Zorin OS 18, built on the rock-solid base of Linux, gives you long-term updates, strong security, and a design built for everyday people, not just power users. It's the kind of system upgrade you feel, not just see. When the installation finishes, reboot into Zorin OS. That first login feels like stepping into a new workspace after years of tolerating the clutter of an old one. There are no forced ads, no hidden background processes eating resources, no surprise restart required, warnings. Just your machine running cleanly. The welcome tour walks you through personalization. Set the layout to one that mirrors Windows if you want comfort, or go for a sleek macOS-inspired design. You're in control. Update the system, explore the software store, and reinstall your must-have apps. Everything is arranged clearly, and the system feels lighter, free from the pressure that Windows 10 carried in its final years. Bring your files back in. Your photos, projects, and documents slide seamlessly into your new environment. And the difference becomes clear. Your machine feels faster, your workflow feels cleaner, and most importantly, it feels safer. Migrating from Windows 10 to Zorin OS 18 isn't just a smart move, it's a necessary one, Because as Windows 10 fades into unsupported territory, staying on it becomes a gamble with your security. Zorin OS steps in as a modern, stable, user-friendly alternative that gives you the power of Linux without the complexity. By the end of this transition, you're not just running a new operating system, you're reclaiming your digital freedom. This isn't an escape, it's an upgrade, a better way forward. And now that Windows 10 is officially done, the future belongs to those who choose something better rather than waiting for something to break. Windows 10 had its chapter. Zorin OS 18 is the next one, and it's already miles ahead.